I'm Jeremy Parkin, Fire Chief of Rama Fire Rescue Service and the Vice President of the Ontario Association of Fire Chiefs. False alarms continue to be an issue in many Ontario multi-unit residential buildings and businesses. In many cases, the false alarms are the result of improper placement or a malfunctioning alarm. That's why more building owners are being fined for multiple false alarms. Property managers are responsible for making sure fire alarms are maintained in accordance with the fire code. Working fire alarms save lives and property. When they aren't working, they divert precious firefighter resources that could be needed elsewhere. Make sure you contact a licensed electrical contractor who works with electricians who have specialized training in fire alarm installation, verification, and testing. Confirm they are Certi-Fire trained and get it done right.